we back at it, man. Listen, y'all, we on the grind and we getting to it. Now listen, I told y'all it's still preseason, right? So we got 7 yards today. It could have been 10, but I said, no, I'm trying to, you know what I mean? Plus a lot of people like, nah, not yet. Let my grass grow fully in, whatever the case may be. So we got some yard cleanups, we got some cutting to do, and I got some game I'm gonna be giving you guys. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all have y'all pen and y'all pads or your notepads and your phones ready, because y'all know I'm giving out game. It's James with the game. I'll see y'all in a second, man. Peace. What's going on, y'all? It's James with the game, and today got a little small demolition job. We are gonna knock this down. This was all the stuff that was inside of it. Not that much stuff. Nice little Louisville slugger bat. Right.
So because this is lower, we're gonna snap it that way.
Now, I see what you're doing. I'm looking like, okay, you hit it from there, come up from that. Yeah. There it go. There it go. There it go.
It look more control. I didn't want to make her lopsided and flip over and all that, because then it like you.
Actually looks dope, dog, how it fell. Like,
Right?
because it would have looked, I mean, it don't matter how it fall, but for it to go like that,
No, it do.
it's dope.
They do. Because when you up in the street.
So we going from the top all the way around. Guy putting his finishing touches up on it. Yeah, man.
Good?
I think so. Look good to me. Shit.
I don't know if you want to mark these with like orange paint so you know they're there.
Well, she gonna come out here. She gonna come out here.
Okay.
So she gonna do what she do. When I gotta come mow, I gotta make sure I'm good. And we out of here, bro. I'm about to put that invoice together as we ride. I gotta get some red mulch today. I got my red on. Got that Bebo name on. Yeah, quick job, man. It's not nothing too crazy. Nice little yard job, mulch job, bush job, all in one. It's a small yard though, so I ain't tripping. I need like 5 bags. So we got 397 and 333. 333. The 333 looking better than 397. I guess that's what we gonna run with. I gotta find a better plug, but the 333, 387, that's supposed to be a little bit better, but it all see the same shit. So yeah, let's get it. All right, so got my mulch. We gonna go check out. Guys, remember, use your business debit card as much as you can, all right? Don't swipe your personal card for stuff like this, all right? And if you do, keep the receipt. All right, we running the business, man. We ain't out here playing. Grass not too bad, but it is. Because it ain't been cut since I cut it last, so I'm ass. So we gotta tighten up. We gotta tighten this up big time. Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm hit. I'm hit. She got cabbage growing. I'm hit. It's not that bad though. It's not that bad. All right. it's not that bad. I'm lying, it's fucked up, but we gonna get it. It's game time. Let's go. Looking good now. Yeah, we looking good now. Just gotta get the full, you know what I mean? We looking good now. Little flowers growing and whatnot. We back. Now we gotta get back here now. Jesus. Tighten it right up though. Got cabbage growing and whatnot. Jesus. Let's get it though. So my trimmer, oh, where the trimmer at? Oh, here it go. I think it burnt out on me, to be honest.
Which one?
I'm about to show you right now. Actually, turn that down. You actually fixed the trigger for me on this joint a while ago. I don't know if you remember, but yeah, this joint right here. I was just working, literally.
You see what's down there?
Huh?
It's black top. You're putting too much oil in the car. You see this?
Yes.
It's clogged up inside here.
Okay.
So it's not done. It can be cleaned. I have to pull it off and clean it.
Okay.
There's a strain inside here. You have to clean it. It's black. It's called an arrestor. What happens is that when you pull the cord,
yeah, the
current goes to the engine. The arrestor prevents the spark from running out.
Got you.
So it keeps it. But then the arrestor is a mesh.
Okay.
So if when the oil goes, if you put too much oil in it, it stays and it stick and it stick and it stick and it stick and the heat clogs it up.
Got you.
Machine breathes like me and you.
So what we talking? How much you charging?
55.
How much you want for that weed whacker right there?
That's not mine. It's a client. I have two over there. Those two are mine.
They working good? I ain't even gonna disrespect you. I ain't mean to ask you that. I know your stuff work good.
Yeah. That's a
and how much are they?
The Red Max is 165. The one is 120.
And how much is that backpack blower?
You know, something guy came and paid me down on a backpack blower. I just got as I put it down. He came and he paid on.
How much is the hand blowers?
The 120 each.
I just spent $200 on a new one.
Too much.
It ain't hurt me, but yeah, it was too much. But it is what it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use it for the day real lightly. My trimmer should be fixed tomorrow. And I might take this back or I might keep it. What y'all think?
Keep it.
I might keep it. I might. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. It's fresh with the box on it. All right, let's go. All right, guys. So I went to Home Depot, bought a new one for $300. My man called me and said, "Hey, man, your trimmer is fixed for $55." That's what we doing. What's up, my man? All right. It's all good.
Tighten up that. I clean the whole thing, the new filter, and I clean the muffler,
So guys, I am on my way back to Home Depot. As you can see, I'm taking this joint back. I can't chalk it. I gotta get my $300. $65 compared to $300. I can't beat that, dog. I gotta go back. So yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do. Take it back and get back on the road. I'll see y'all in a second.